Sweet. So spoiled, Bastian. So spoiled. Hmm? Oh, is it over now? Oh, you guys are so cute though. So cute grooming each other. Okay, we show some more. Finish now. It's still going. Lovebirds, huh? They're such little lovebirds. Such lovebirds. It is a bit warm today, isn't it, baby? Oh, hello. Hi, boo. What are you up to, darling? Watching the camera. Is that boo? Oh, you look very pretty after you. Uh-oh. I know what you're doing. Oh, hello. Very cheeky, boo. Yeah, not you. Yeah. So content. So content. Oh, I'm too blurry. Say hi. Yeah, you finished? Okay, Bastian. Doing your own thing. Baby. Baby. Come on. Come on. Good girl. You're so fascinated with the camera. It's so funny. Come on. You're like, ooh. Oh, thank you, baby. Mama. Oh, you are so clever. So clever. Mama. Oh. Wait. Kiss, kiss. Good girl, Mama. Mama. Good girl, baby. There you go. So well. So well trained. Oh, you're gonna jump back on again, aren't you? Or are you? You look so content right now, darling. You look so content. Yes. Okay. Don't bother pie too much, okay? Bastian's enjoying it so much. What a lucky boy. Yes, you are pampered by all the girls here. Yeah, very lucky. Uh-oh. Done? Hi, Bastian. What are you up to? You warm, darling? Those wings, Bastian. Baby. Bastian. Hi. Hi there. You're obsessed with the Velcro, you are. So obsessed. So obsessed.